Hey guys, so here are the top 3 issues with having weeds in your lawn, and I'm also going to tell you how we can take care of them. So first, they are going to harm the turf, and especially the ones you're seeing right now, which are broadleaf weeds. They get big really fast. Our turf is not growing yet, so these are going to overcrowd our turf, and when springtime comes, there's not going to be enough room for our turf to come in, and these weeds are going to start taking over little by little, or if you have a large problem, it can be pretty fast. They also are very unsightly for yourself and your neighbors. Your neighbors probably don't want to look at them. They can also encroach into your neighbor's property. The third issue will be with your HOA. If you have rules in place in your neighborhood, they may not allow a weed infestation or weeds period. So we want to get those taken care of before they either fine you or cite you, or get a little nasty gram from them telling you that you need to take care of your weeds. So here's what we can do about it. We offer a monthly program. We will put 2 pre-emerge applications down that will prevent these weeds from becoming a problem in the first place. We will also put down 3 fertilizer applications that will increase your turf health to help reduce the weed problem. And then we will also come by monthly to spot treat any weeds that are popping up and get those taken care of. So if you have any questions, just give us a call and we will get you scheduled and get everything taken care of for you. Thanks a lot.